Good morning, everyone. How you doing today? So I wanted to have just a heart-to-heart, honest discussion with you because there's so much nonsense going on about real estate investing today. And this is going to be a conversation about cash flow, understanding should I buy today or wait for the crash? And we're just going to do some simple math. And I'm going to show you how, maybe it's a better time to buy today, even if prices fall 15%, say in 2 years. Now realize this is about cash flow. This is about conservatively financed properties. But again, you know, if you think properties will fall 15%, I could show you why it might be better to buy today, assuming you want to hold these long term. That is obviously a constraint. If you're going to flip or do anything like that, different conversation. But if you are a one rental at a time cash flow investor, maybe now is the right time to buy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up a mortgage calculator. It's available online. No secret, no special thing. I just did a Google search. Hopefully you can see it here. So here's the deal. We're going to do a $300,000 mortgage. You can see this happening in real time. We're going to assume the interest rate is 3%. Okay. So what we're going to see is your payment on a $300,000 mortgage is $1,265. Let's assume for whatever reason you could rent that for $2,000 a month. After all costs, interest, mortgage, property tax, mortgage, repairs, vacancies, you're probably cash flowing $250 a month pretty easily. So now what happens if the value goes down 15%? Let's assume now you borrow 250 grand. Well, on the surface, it looks like you're saving a couple $100, but here's the deal. What all of these YouTube entertainers are not telling you is what likely is to cause the next real estate crash or devaluation is rising interest rates. Interest rates is going to be what takes out housing. So what I would tell you is interest rates are going to go from say 3 to 5%. Now this is important. Watch this. Look at that. Interest rates went to 5%. You're actually spending more. And I didn't write it down. So let's write this down. So today at 250, it's $1,342. If we go back to 3% at 300, it's $1,265. So again, you could borrow $50,000 less, but if the interest rate goes from 3 to 5%, you're going to be spending an extra $77. If you're a cash flow investor, that $77 is 770, 14, $900 a year, almost $1,000. You can have an extra $1,000 in real cash flow by paying more. Again, you could do all kinds of math, right? If you were going to buy the same $300,000 or same $300,000 loan, your payment goes up $350. Folks, real estate investing is about cash flow. One rental at a time is about cash flow. Interest rates are the biggest driver in cash flow. These YouTube entertainers calling about a real estate crash and oh my God, they don't know what they're talking about. If real estate comes down, it will be interest rate related. If interest rates go from 3 to 5%, yes, properties could fall 15%. I've just shown you, even if they fall 15%, you should buy today. Now realize I'm not saying buy today. I'm just saying do the math. It's not hard math. There's an apps out there. I just typed in mortgage calculator and it came up in a Google search. Do the math. Do the math. All right, everybody. Again, remember, learn your market. Don't listen to these YouTube entertainers. They don't know what they're talking about. I've been doing this 20 years, one rental at a time. Go ahead and get the book on Amazon. If you really want to know what you're doing in real estate investing, the best thing I've created is a real estate course. I give it away for only $199. You get access to me in a Facebook group, private only students. We talk every Saturday at 9 a.m. I think you'll enjoy it. Students are doing deals. Students are doing great deals. Only buy the course if you're ready to work, though. I ask for 10 to 20 minutes a day. We're going to be having these conversations. You're going to understand cash flow. You're going to understand average, good, and great. Let's have some fun. Let's get ready for all the opportunities in 2021. All right, everybody, take care. Thanks. Bye.